Dear friends, Namaskar. I'm Dr. Nutan Prakash Vishwakarma, and as you know, last two videos I've started teaching you that how to do the statistical analysis using R language. Friends, this video is very basic, and I'm preparing these videos by keeping in mind that you don't have the programming experience at all. So the whole video series is being prepared in such a way so that you have not dealt any time with the programming language. You don't know the ABC of the programming language, but still you will be very comfortable to do the statistical analysis by using R language. What you have to do, you have to just be with me, just spare few minutes once I upload the video on the YouTube. Follow the steps. Believe me, it is going to make the change in your knowledge. So friends, in our language, how to deal with the data means if you have the data with you, that may be in the Excel file, that may be in the SPSS format, that may be the data from the data, that may be data from the text format also. So data may be in different type of the format file. So not many videos are available on YouTube. The fantastic videos are available there. But the problem with the learners is that if I am the very beginner in the programming, I don't have any experience, and if I see the video where the instructor is putting their data in the form of the array, so that will be difficult for me. I don't know the basic of it. So that's why now I think there is no any kind, there is not a single kind of the hindrance that I think everybody is comfortable with the Excel file. Everybody is using the Excel. So to avoid the confusions, what I'm going to do throughout my lecture, in all the videos, I will import the data which is in the Excel file. So whatever data you have, the research data or any other data, that you always put in the Excel file, and that Excel file will import in the RStudio and will move ahead for analysis. So this practice we are going to make. So let's check how to import the data from the Excel. For that one, first of all, I assume that already you have installed the R language and RStudio. So once you open the RStudio, as I already told you, there is four kind of the screen that window you are going to find. The first one is going to be for the R script, second is the console, third is the variable, and fourth is for the output. You can see here, this is the R script, this is the console, this is the variable, and here you are going to get the output, right? So you can increase or decrease the size of this one as per your convenience, right? You can increase or decrease. So my dear friends, in this particular video, we are going to learn how to import the data which is in the Excel sheet. So for your, I think two windows have been opened. So let me close once. Okay, so one window is there, right? All right. So one hypothetical data I have put it, and I saved that data in the name with the name data. You can see here in the Excel file that I kept on the desktop, some temperature and sales, some hypothetical data I have, and this data I want to import in my RStudio so that I can go for the downstream calculation whatever I want to do. So how to do it? How to establish the relationship between the RStudio and your data? So for that one, RStudio needs some package. Package means nothing, there are some set of programs. So with the help of that, you can import the data from the Excel to your RStudio. So first time, whatever step I'm going to teach you, tell you that only single time you have to do, right? Once, only one time you install this package and it is going to work throughout the lecture. So this step you have to do only once. So the package required to read the Excel file Here you can see the file, plot, package, something is there. Here an option is there that is known as install. Just click over install. Wait for a second. Here it is showing you the retrieving package installation context. And make sure that your computer have or laptop have the active internet connection, right? Because package we are going to install in the R language by using internet. If you don't have the internet, RStudio will not be able to retrieve the package. So here it is I think my internet speed is a bit slow, that's why it is taking time. So friends, as you can see, once I click over the install, this install package window is opened. Here please be very careful while you are typing the name of the package. The name of the package you require. With the help of that, you will be able to read the data in Excel to your with your RStudio. So what I have to do, I have to just simply type read Excel. You can see here read Excel. Make sure you have written in a small letter because it is case sensitive. If you type capital R, you will not be able to install the package. So what I did, I just typed the read Excel. Nothing much you have to do. Just simply click over the install, and depends on the internet connection. Within a fraction of minutes, you will be able to install the package. You can see the install package, some command is going on here, and it depends on the internet speed. If your internet speed is perfect, it's fantastic, maybe it will take not more than 1 minute, and within 1 or 2 minutes your package will be installed. Once your package is installed, now you don't have to bother for any time. Once you install, a single time you install, and all the time you will be able to very easily import the data of Excel in your RStudio. And without any kind of the hindrance, you will be able to carry out your analysis. You can see here the read Excel read Excel package has been imported. Now you want to check whether it is imported really or not. So that you can check under the package. Here you can scroll it down and you can find out somewhere the read Excel is there or not. So it is difficult. So what you can do, you can search it here. READ Excel. See here, it is already there. So now it's all set. Now your RStudio have the read Excel package, and now any time you can import the data from the Excel to the RStudio. So now let me tell you how to install, how to import the data. So for that one, a very simple thing is there. All the many methods are there, but whatever the easiest one that I am telling you. So here it is import dataset. Here the different formats are there. You can if data in the text format you can import, right? The SPSS, the SAS, the stata. The simplest one I am telling you, the from Excel. Just click over the from Excel. This window will be open. Click on the browse and locate wherever you have kept your file. So I kept my file of Excel format in the desktop named as data. Just simply click on open. Wait for a few seconds. It's a retrieving preview data, and you within a few seconds you can see the temperature and sales data is there. Just let me click over the import, and now you can see the data for the temperature and sale is in RStudio. Now whatever analysis you want to do, you are ready to do it. So what to do next, that I am going to demonstrate in the next video. So stay tuned, please subscribe, because in this video I taught you how to import the data, right? And what next we can do, you have to wait for the next video. And next video I will teach you that how to do the analysis of the data. So please subscribe my channel so that whenever I upload a new video, meantime you can get the notification. By sparing few minutes, I'm sure you will be able to analyze the data. So see you in next video. Till then, namaskar. Thank you.